the Sony WM-1000XM4 wireless headphones. What's in the box and are they worth it? Well, stick around and find out. Hi, I'm Dave of Tech Experts, and I help entrepreneurs to close the gaps that exist across the tools needed for your online business. Today, I'm going to give you a little unboxing and a quick review of some new headphones I'm trying out. They're the Sony WM-1000XM4s. They are a wireless headset that uses Bluetooth and can connect to multiple devices. They even have an app for helping you control how it sounds. It has noise cancellation and ambient sound cancellation features. I want to welcome you to my channel. Again, I'm Dave of Tech Experts. I help you with all your tech needs. Hopefully you're finding my video helpful. If you so, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button for me. And if you like the content I'm releasing, give me the big thumbs up. And as well, hit the little notification bell so you can be notified whenever new content is released. Let's get into this unboxing and quick review. Okay, this is the box for the unboxing of the Sony WH-1000XM4. They are wireless noise cancellation headphones with high quality sound. They support high-res audio wirelessly. They have 30 hours of battery life when you're using them over Bluetooth with noise cancellation on. They support Google Assistant and Alexa are both built in. They have the 360 reality audio. It tells you you're using the Sony designed HD noise cancellation processing for high performance noise cancellation based upon the audio quality and the environment. So it's going to use the air pressure around you and what it senses to do the noise cancellation. It's going to have a built-in AI to help you get clearer sound, upgrade your sound, and perform better. It comes with 30 hours of playback or use times if you have noise cancellation on, and noise cancellation off gets you 38 hours. It has a 10-minute quick charge to give you 5 hours of use. You can do hands-free in calling with HD voice on it. It does voice assistance for you as well. It comes with a USB-C cable, a headphone jack, and an adapter for in-flight audio, and a carrying case. That should all be inside this box. So let's get it open and see what's inside. All right. Just slides right out. So it tells you download the app first and then power on your headphones. Easy setup and configuration. Gives you an IRQ code to download the app with right on the box. It's available in Apple and Google Play stores both. It has a beautiful case. An access code. Warranty and setup information as well is in the box. The case has this little stretchy section on it. Nice design where the brass pole fits inside the little holding or carrying handle. So you can basically zip it up and tuck it in. These are the headphones. They fold down real nice. Designed to pop out and then turn. They feel comfy. Has even a diagram of how to put them in here. Comes with a nice headphone jack. A slot for a special adapter for putting it on the plane, so you can plug it into the crazy little plane connection, and then you plug in your headphone jack on the side, and that fits right into the little section there. Short USB-C to USB-A cable, so probably about 12 inches, 6 inches maybe. So short cable, little section to store it in, which is nice. Good feel to them, feels plush. Headphone jack is here. You have a power button, a custom button, and a USB port for charging them on the bottom with a little light next to it. Right on the inside, left on the other side. Your near field communication or your Bluetooth connection is on in here. So this folds up, tells you left on the box. Put it in like that. Cable goes back in here. This folds down. This folds down. So everything folds down real nice. Zips back up. And tucks in like that. Nice little case, no extra like big Sony labeling except for on the little zip out zipper thing. It says Sony on here. That's it. The brass zipper is the only place you really see the label. Really nice, discreet, good feel, solid, like the little thing you can stuff a little note or something you might have to carry with you in there. That's it. That's our unboxing. Let's see how they sound. Okay, so that's what's in the box. Now, what do I think about them besides what's covered in the box? Well, it was cool, right? I liked the cable's a little short, but it worked well for charging the headphones. They actually charged really fast. I was surprised. I put the app on my phone. It took a little bit of work to get through all the stuff with registering with Sony, getting them to connect, and then powering them on. So if you're struggling with that, just make sure you're holding down that power button on the bottom long enough for the headphones to click on fully, and then the Bluetooth is on your phone as well that you want to connect it with, and then it'll connect, and follow the prompts for it to take you through the process of connecting it. Once you have your account set up, it seems like it went much smoother for connecting and configuring. Now, why do I say this? Well, the app really is a cool feature to it. It has a bunch of aspects that I think really help make these headphones amazing. First off, the headphones sound great. I gotta give them that. Sony, you did an amazing job on the sound and the comfort of the headphones. Really comfortable, really easy to use. I like the fact I can just tap sort of like the side of the earphone and pause or play my music or what I'm listening to in there. That's really cool. I liked the ambient noise reduction, which basically means it's taking out some of the sound around me, not noise canceling everything out. Pretty much removed all the noise from around my space as I'm working at home, so it's not super noisy, but at times I'll hear the cars and everything rumbling by outside. That disappeared and just became quiet, beautiful, like comfortable space, not oppressive pressure space either. So with the noise cancellation on, I did not feel like I was being pressed in on the side of my head like I do at times, and the pressure was uncomfortable. The sound at neutral is great. You have amazing bass, there's beautiful treble, the mids are right there where they should be, and it actually dials up pretty decently loud on the headphones for the phone. I didn't even have to crank it up all the way, and you could definitely notice the difference in the sound. You got more sound if you turned it up just a little bit from the basic level. Other tracks I found myself wanting to turn it back down a little, going, wow, this really is pushing sound quite nicely, and it's clean. And then I dug into the app to say, what are some of these other features in here? There's a whole equalizer feature in there. You can define how and flip through different modes. So if you want to have a little mini equalizer, adjust the mode so you like it better, maybe what they call bright or excited, where it's like brighter than average, you can do that. You can do a mellow or a chill mode where it's basically bringing all your levels down. It's kind of lowering everything. You can do a higher level treble. You can do bass boosting, and then you have like 2 customized level settings you can do, so you can dial in your own custom setting for the equalizer if you have a particular like setting that just sounds more right to you, where maybe you're missing a high or a low or mid and you need to adjust it. You have 2 of those custom settings, and then you can just flip it back to off as well. You kind of just flip through them, slide through the side. That was really nice. There's the ability to turn on off the ambient and the noise cancellation as well. It also learns about you as you use it, so the more you use it, the better it gets. I love that about it. It charged fairly quickly at 5 hours and 10 minutes. I think the buttons on the back of the headphones at times were a little confusing. I wasn't used to where they were, so I had trouble catching them at times. The call quality, as the calls are coming in now, sound good on there as well. I love the fact that it's got a voice chat feature where you can just flip that on, start speaking, and it'll start a conversation for you. So it's got some really great features. Now, it's not inexpensive though. So you do get comfy headphones. They do sound rich and beautiful. The noise cancellation, like I said, was beyond what I expected. The comfort level on them was beyond what I expected. I had all kinds of music I tried with them, and everything just came through clean, sounding right, didn't sound too bassy or too trebly or too off in any direction. And on top of that, playing with the equalizer, I could really even have some fun of cranking up or down the different songs that I liked. Hope you are enjoying this video. If so, please give me the big thumbs up, like it, share it with your friends and family. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button for me. It's subscribe. I always ask you to subscribe because I want to keep you in the know. I have more how do I guides, more tech tips, more reviews, and more things I want you to be in the know about. Again, I'm Dave of Tech Experts, and I look forward to working with you. And if you haven't checked out my show description, please do so. I will have a link to these headphones down below. I'll also link up some Beats. They are earbuds that I think are great. So if you want to spend a little bit less money or want more of a workout headset, I'll link up those. I'll link up some budget earbud type things that are more QWERTY orientated. So you have options for whatever price level you want. But these are really a premium headphone, and I think they're worth it. Let me know in the comment section, what do you listen to your music on? Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. Again, I'm Dave of Tech Experts, and I look forward to working with you.